Okay, this is Helen. She's on bike quarantine, so I'm not gonna open the kennel, but she's so precious and sweet. You said I'm so precious and sweet. She came down to greet me. Yeah. You said I'm so precious and sweet. Yeah. You said I'm just a kitten. I'm just a kitten. Yeah. You said bite. Why are they trying to put me in jail? It was a misunderstanding, I believe. I believe it. Look at her trying to stick that ear to the cage. Hi, baby. Hi. Oh, thank you, baby. Hi, baby. She baby. Oh, yeah. Down your rocks. Yeah. Yeah. Hmm. Oh, I know. I miss you too. I miss you too. Good girl.